Payments turning into gold.
I'm in Stratford. Do you know what Stratford is? The Olympics happened here. And I feel like an athlete, no, I feel like an Olympian because I am near the Olympic Park. So who am I? I'm an Olympian. I am a champion. I need my inhaler. Oh, too much laughing. This comes everywhere with me. Yes guys, what are you saying? It's me Abs, and today guys, I am in the Moxy London Stratford. I arrived here earlier on today, around about 5ish, half 5ish or 4, can't remember. Arrived here by Virgin Trains. Obviously man got first class and that because I'm a first class guy. Who's first class? Abs is first class. Who are you? I'm first class. Pretty enough for me to say who are you? I'm first class. But I'm going to give you an honest review. Loving this queen size bed though, there's no queen tonight. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. So this is the Moxy Stratford in London. Just 2-minute walk away from Westfield Stratford and the Stratford station. And it's absolutely sick. It's part of the Marriott chain group. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this fresh aroma. And here is a long mirror, like outfit of the day and that, for example. So this is a ball jacket from ASOS. This is a t-shirt from H&M, and this is jeans from ASOS. No, it's a monkey, I think it's called. So you see this beautiful, sick art wall. It says, life is a journey in many ways. And I've noticed, as soon as you walk in, there's no wardrobe. So you just hang your clothes up here, which is alright. Got some hangers here. And then of course you got a hairdryer here if you wanna, you know, wash your hair and that. You never know. Sick work area. So you can do your work on it. Your laptop maybe. And then turn here, you got this pretty sick armchair. And next up we have this absolutely amazing queen size bed all for myself. I haven't been on it yet, so I can't wait to get, you know, comfy and be on my ones. But yeah, it's a nice decent sized bed. Also you got this 42-inch TV. So I'm going to watch some Netflix and chill by myself. And here's the view guys. Stratford looking sick and that. Here is the view. Who are you? I'm going to walk into the bathroom now. Hello, what are you saying? Yes, it's me Abs. So as soon as you walk into the bathroom, this sick mirror. It. You got some hand wash there, some loo roll, some packet of water, fresh towels and that, and then you're greeted by this nice shower. Now look, close the glass, and you can have a shower. And it's enough for two really, so I'm missing the queen. You get these showers, but I bring my own shower gels. So guys, here are my first impressions when I checked in. As you see from the room tour guys, this room is absolutely sick. It is a beautiful room. It's got a queen size bed, it's for two, and I have no queen tonight unfortunately. So I'm going to be watching an action movie on my one. So it is an absolute bargain. When I say bargain, it is a bargain room. Go on guys, let's be higher and lower. Go on, I'll wait. Higher, 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 higher. No, lower, lower, lower. Higher, lower. No, it cost me. I'm having a palpitation in a good way. I don't need epidural because it cost me £48, and that is an absolutely bargain. It is a sick hotel. It's part of the Marriott brand, and I'm like, rah, £48. Book me in. So obviously you get a good sized TV, so I'm gonna watch my Netflix and chill on my ones, power. The bathroom is alright. Showers, I thought the shower's small, but it fits 2 people in it, so you can have it, you know, you can have fun in the shower. The shower's really good, toiletries are good, the view is sick, and there's an open bar 24/7. So guys, if you're feeling a bit thirsty, feeling a bit parched, you can run downstairs and get a beverage, a bevy. A bevy means a drink, a beverage means a drink if you didn't know, you're not from Manchester. Beverage, I'm having a bevy. So far I am buzzing and excited, I love this hotel, it's absolutely sick. This is, if not the best hotel I ever stayed in. I know that's a big statement, but it is the best hotel I ever stayed in. It's absolutely sick. Good morning guys, what are you saying? Let me tell you guys, I had the best sleep ever. It hit the bloody spot. I had a good 10-11 hour sleep and hit. Didn't wake up once. Temperature was fine. No noises, it's soundproof windows. And let me tell you, that shower, all my day, it has an eco shower, so you just turn it like that. Eco shower and then a normal shower together. Oh, it hit the spot. Oh, I could stay there for like hours. And it's just a beautiful place to be. I'd recommend the Moxy London in Stratford, guys. Thanks for watching my Moxy Hotel review, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Bing! And let me know what you think. Comment below. Did I say comment? Oh, I did say comment. I said like, comment, subscribe, yeah. And just share it. Do you know what I mean, guys?